English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2, Semester, Textbook, Vocabulary. Semester. Semester is a noun. A2 learners usually know semester. A semester is half a year in school, college or university. Here are some examples. A semester usually lasts for 15 to 18 weeks. She didn't come back to college last semester. We studied that course for the whole semester. Textbook. Textbook is a noun. A2 learners usually know textbook. Students use a textbook to study. Here are some examples. It was a classic textbook on economic theory. His algebra textbook is the same as his father used at school. The 3 hardcover textbooks were extremely heavy to carry. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is a noun. A2 learners usually know vocabulary. A person's vocabulary describes the words that the person knows. Here are some examples. She has a wide vocabulary. He doesn't yet have the vocabulary to say what he wants. The vocabulary of medicine differs greatly to the vocabulary of law. Now write some of your own sentences with semester, textbook and vocabulary. Download the free A2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.